I'll see you guys later. Right, my mate's there just told me just down this road last night apparently a car crashed into like an electronics store. I know I'm going way off topic about the restriction. Yes, Aaron! Cool, man. Video, Rob! But yeah, that's what my Aaron is, alright, man. Sound bloke. Let's go see this shit. And what the fuck were you doing, dickhead? Yeah, restriction is... it's just one of those things that are a nuisance. It's not like... you know, but some bikes have a pin in the throttle, some bikes have a 33 brake horsepower ECU. Some are restricted in the carburetors. So... oh fuck, I can see it from here. So sometimes you've got a full throttle but your restrictors in the carburetors instead, and the cops trying to do you because you like... all the cops around here seem to think that you have to have a pin in the throttle to be restricted. Come along, they twist your throttle, oh you've got full throttle. That's illegal, I'm scrapping your bike. Fuck off. I have the restrictors. They're in the carburetor. Then let's see this shit. Someone stick straight into a fucking building, did he? Holy shit. Where's everyone going? Fucking hell, man. But yeah, that was crazy. Anyway, back to the restriction. So yeah, anyone over 21 can have a full bike license. But if you... I thought it was that if you're under 21, like say you're 20... yeah, say you're 20. What? Motorbike shop. I'll go straight over. Oh, Aaron, video boss. Sick. It's alright. But yeah, say if you're 20 and you pass your test, you still have to wait 2 years even if you turn 21. But I thought that if you're 20, you pass your test, and then like a year later, oh I'm 21, I can do restriction now because I'm 21. But apparently not. So that sucks. I'll pass mine a day before my 18th, which is an annoying age because it's a day before my 20th then. I'll see you later. But yeah. It's just, I don't know, it's just a nuisance sort of thing. Yeah, apparently that car crash, apparently it happened like stupid o'clock last night. Sorry, this morning. Technicalities. I need someone to pull over and fucking turn my camera off. I'm gonna put in here, fuck it. Even though the tyres are shit dirty. See you later, bruv.